Looking to get rid of those stinky TGVs on your 15 plus WRX? These are the Torque Solutions TGV Delete Kit. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, bringing you another episode of What's in the Box. Today we've got the Torque Solutions TGV Delete specific for the 2015 plus WRX. Let's go ahead and open this box. Now, of course, these come better packaged, but I went ahead and opened them up beforehand to save on time. But you've got your two TGV deletes here, a little blank plug, and a sweet sticker. Thank you, Torque Solution, for this awesome sticker. Anyway, okay, so you might be wondering to yourself, what is a TGV delete? And that's a great question. So TGV stands for tumble generating valve. Essentially, your intake manifold sucks in air, and the runners go down onto your TGVs, and you've got these little tiny butterfly valves inside the TGV, basically inside here, that open and close, and it basically creates a tumble. Well, that's great if you're running stock power, and you know it's basically just for emissions essentially, yeah, that's about it. But other than that, when you're wide open throttle, even though those open up, it still creates a restriction. And so by getting rid of them, you can free up quite a bit of power, especially on the 15 plus WRX. It makes a very big difference. So Torque Solutions has these guys right here. Very simple piece, just replaces your factory. Your factory ones are like a composite material. Gets rid of those, you slip these in their place, reuse the rubber O-ring gaskets, make sure those are nice and clean. You don't even need to fully take off the manifold, you can actually just kind of lift it up, slide these in, and bolt it back down. And as you can see, these are kind of offset bolts, so you do have to be aware of when you're installing them. There is a left and a right side and then a front and a back, but you'll figure that out pretty quick when you go to set down a bolt and nothing happens. But these are much better port matched than the factory TGVs, so you get about 30% larger diameter here for more airflow. Plus you're getting rid of those factory stinky valves that our Subaru loves to put on their cars. Plus, this side has a 1/8 NPT plug here, and if you don't use it, just put a little Teflon on there, screw it in. But you can run a, essentially a boost reference or vacuum reference sensor. So if you've got a boost gauge, or if you've got, something else that requires a vacuum or boost source, you could easily do that from right there, which is pretty cool. Of course, you've got the Torque Solutions logo right there, and I don't know if it's on this side. Nope, just on that side. But I think that's quite nice, but just a really nice piece, CNC'd aluminum, lightweight, very strong, and honestly, installation on these is pretty simple. It's tight, obviously anything working underneath the intake manifold is tight, but really incredibly simple for the amount of gains you get. Now, this will 100% require a tune. You might be able to find someone with a tune that's specific for TGV deletes. Great, good for you. If not, you will have to go get a custom tune, at least to delete the TGV codes, because you will get 4 of them, probably because they're 4 TGVs. But so it will require a tune. But honestly, if you do this, I would pair this up with a better intercooler, an intake, full exhaust, and then go get a tune. Just kind of do it all one lump sum thing, because those are kind of the biggest bang for your buck, right? And with that plus a tune, it will turn your WRX into a completely different animal. And I mean a massive, massive difference. It'll really wake that car up. It's actually quite amazing. But definitely check these out. This is the Torque Solutions TGV Kit. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out What's in the Box. See you guys next time.